Let's make a beautiful bird nest tablescape. Here is the supply list. I used a glass to form my nest with the hot glue because the nest peeled off easily from the glass. Then I added my feathers and the bird eggs. Then I took a page from the hymn book I had purchased from the thrift store. I placed it in coffee grinds and added some water. Let it soak. Once I finished soaking it, I placed it on a baking pan and baked it in the oven at the lowest temperature. And this is what it looked like. Then I took my paint sticks and marked the desired measurements. I cut the paint sticks and enough for a stand, and I used the hot glue to form the cross and place it on the stand. Then I took my Waverly antique wax and stained the cross. Then I placed the cross on the hem paper and traced it out. Used the Mod Podge on the cross and sanded it down to the desired smoothness. Then I cut a piece off of my rose bush to form the crown to put over the top of my cross, and I used jute to secure it. I absolutely love the way the cross turned out and want to make a bigger size one. Then I used my Dollar Tree flower pot, my Waverly chalk paint, and the moss and placed the bird on top. And then I put the moss and the greenery from Target, the onion grass, and placed all the items on the tablescape. And it turned out so beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this and it inspires you to make something beautiful.